We have a remote control from a Polaroid TV that a friend of mine dropped, I think. So I just need to see if I can put it back together and get it working again. So get the batteries out. Looks as if the springs for the battery terminals have got bent up. So let's say that one should be around there like that. I need to get some pliers on that. I may be able to do it. So see if I can figure out where it goes in. So it goes in, a springy bit goes in there, and the other part goes in that bit, I think. So it needs to be bent sort of in the right place to go in. Mystery. Seems about right. Yeah, does it snap together or should there be screws? Snaps together. That's gone back in. That's battery in it. Work this television because it's a different make. No, so I don't really know if it's working or not. Okay, that's back together, but I'll have to take it back to my friend to find out if it actually works on the TV. Okay, thank you for watching.